time I wasn't videoing, they were pull starting it and it pops right off. I struggled a little bit to get it going at first, but now it's RD4 right here, according to Josh, is right next to me. Came from an old guy up in Cloverland area. Sat next to a barn for, what, 20 years, Josh? Something like that. So, hadn't run in a while. It's got some issues with the pony motor. What's wrong with the pony motor, Josh? Bad rod bearing the pony motor. So, right now we just pull start it. Runs pretty good. It's on the list to get restored. We'll take you a video of it before we leave down in the barn. Josh went over to Enterprise, Oregon and got a canopy they'll put on it. We'll see what the plan is for the future. Some ideas. Maybe restore it fully or do just a mechanical restoration on it and clean up what paint's left and make it look nice and it's working close. So that's the thoughts on the RD4 at least, but we'll see. This is that canopy I was telling you about outside for the RD4. Came out of Enterprise, Oregon. Met a guy at a plowing bee had it. My brother went and got it. The top is really nice. It's all original. So it'll probably go on the RD4. It's a really nice canopy. As you can see, all wood and everything. The canvas still on it, and wood looks really nice. So pretty neat little addition to the collection.